That's what I'm saying, no? Prabhupada को साइड किक बना दिया अपना. ये घमंडी. ये क्यों होता है? क्योंकि उन लोग घमंडी बन गया. घमंडी, you know? घमंडी means false pride. This is very dangerous. This is dangerous for them. They will suffer.
In 1999, GBC again passed a resolution saying that any Diksha Guru or Siksha Guru can be called as Gurudev, and then which was banned for Srila Prabhupada in 87. And then there is one GBC resolution which states that GBC will not endorse anybody for their state of realization. Anybody want to start giving initiation to take disciples, they are not endorsing them as a pure devotee or Uttamadhikari. And then they are also saying that we will only indicate no objection if they want to start taking the disciples. So did you come across any such kind of awkward GBC resolutions which has put you in what kind of things they are running in ISKCON?
GBC क्या बोला? It's become a farce. They are supporting illegal activities. They know. Do they not know Mayapur में कितना children का abuse हो रहा है? He was sent off, I think.
The whole Gurukul thing they made day scholar now. There is no residential.
Yes, so but this is going on for many years.
Prabhu, they have not sent. They've only sent him off. They haven't expelled him from the movement.
Yes.
He's sitting in Finland and continuing his satsang with his disciples.
Then what is GBC? What is GBC?
He should have actually been handed over on POSCO.
He should have been going to the police station
Yeah,
and in
exactly.
jail.
They should have.
GBC बेकार है. They are cover up. Lokanath Swami ka cover up. Why in that day, that time itself, Lokanath Swami should have been removed from his sannyas. Why? You got a thought in the mind. You know that example of Mahaprabhu, that Chota Haridas.
Yes.
He didn't do nothing. Only in the mind. He lusted. Only in the mind. He didn't do nothing. But he was kicked out of Mahaprabhu's association. Then he was blessed. But Lokanath should have resigned at that time when it came out. He would have been blessed. But now, with all this cover-up and all his activity as this guy, continuing all this business of being sannyasi and guru and all that, he will have to face the music. As long as ISKCON goes, there will be a mark that there was one guru called Lokanath who had abused a small child and was covered up and was continuing being a guru and being a sannyasi with a cover-up. This will be the black mark on him forever. So what have you gained? You would have gained much if you at that time resigned and not become a prey of the GBC that made you do this. I know Lokanath. You're a very good devotee. You're a very humble devotee. But the GBC has made him do this. Cover up. Because they don't want to show the mistake they made. पहले तो 11 का mistake था. तो तुम dilute the 11 का mistake. They made 100. They made 100 to dilute the mistake of the 11. Now they are saying, now where are they falling? कौन जाने है कौन falling हो रहा है?
Prabhu, actually, even what you hear about fall downs, the news comes out after a couple of years. The fall down would have already happened and they would have dealt with it and put it under the rug.
Of course.
But others will get to know eventually after 2-3 years down the line.
Or not know at all.
Yeah, or not know.
It's all covered up. I know in Prabhupada's time also how many cover-ups happen. I won't say names. But very close to Prabhupada. He's always in the picture with Prabhupada.
There's the apology letter of Lokanath Maharaj available in public domain.
Yeah, and so he accepted it. But what is the use of such a... I tell you, left to himself, Lokanath would have resigned. I know him. But the GBC has controlled him and used him not to resign, and some other people around. But normally, he would not have continued. Better to change. What's a big deal?